Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to check out our new dash cam. We got a Vanbar DC400 dash cam. We had a dash cam years ago, but because we didn't use our car very much, the battery on it ended up dying. As you know, we're kind of frugal and don't like to pay a lot of money for things, so I've been looking and looking for a dash cam and haven't been able to find one that I liked that had the features that I wanted. So one of the things that I was finding on the more inexpensive dash cams was that you didn't get the inside view of the cabin area. When we're driving in the car, our old one, you used to be able to see outside and then you could see inside. If you remember when I took my mom to camp, I did the inside of our car as we were driving around. You can also get the audio from the inside of your vehicle too. Okay, so a little bit about the camera. It is a 4K camera. The other one that we had was 1080, but I found that sufficient for what we needed it for. The higher up resolution you have, the more it's going to take up the memory on the card that you're using. You have to use a micro SD card with this, and it does take a micro SD up to 256. So that's quite a bit of storage for you. The lower the resolution, the more storage you're going to have on there. It is Wi-Fi. So you can connect it, and they have an app that you can use on your phone. It has the G sensor. What is that? It's a gravity sensor. If you get in an accident, it's supposed to sense that you were in an accident and take that footage and put it in a special file so it doesn't accidentally get erased, so that you always have that footage. It is GPS enabled. You don't have to use that feature either. It has a separate little plug-in that we'll go over. It has fill-in light, super night vision. Like I said, the dual camera recording, you can record in the front and inside the cab. Also on your screen, when you're looking at the camera, you can set it to show the inside, show the outside, or show both of them. So it could be a split screen. It is compatible with the app is compatible with Android and iOS. It's got loop recording, which means that once the card gets full in there, it's going to start rewriting over the old footage. So if there's anything on there, you want to get it off there and save that, you can do that. As my understanding is you can do it through the app. You can also take the micro SD card out of the camera. When you're doing that, be very careful, because on our old camera when I did it, and because they're spring loaded, when you push it, they spring out. If you don't do it very carefully, it sprung too quick on me and then winded up going flying over the dashboard. And this does have motion detecting too.
I'm going to show you a little bit what comes in the box. Inside the box, there's a couple compartments to hold the camera, the mounting part that connects to the windshield. You got a power cord that goes into your cigarette lighter. And this right here is the GPS, so that you put this on your dash and connect it to the camera, so that that tells you where you're at if something happens. I took the camera and I put it in my work car, and it attached to the windshield really easily, and we were able to adjust the camera up and down until I had it so that I was in view inside of the cab of the car and the rear facing camera. And here's some footage to show you exactly what we had from it. I think the camera is a very easy camera to use. It's easy to set up. It's easy to do all the functions of it. And if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Leave some comments down below with any questions that you might have.